How to take clear selfies on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the camera application on your phone. As you get there, tap on the flip camera icon at the bottom right, represented by rotating arrows which switch between the front camera and rear camera. Select the front camera for taking selfies. After that, change the camera mode to portrait to produce a depth of field effect. Here, select Studio Light to stimulate professional studio light setups as shown. Then, capture the selfie after focusing on the face and adjusting brightness. Now, you can view the selfie from the small preview icon in the corner of the screen by opening your gallery. Following these steps, you can easily take clear selfies on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.